What you're looking at right now is one of the most exciting hybrid sports coupes to return in recent years. The all-new 2026 Honda CR-Z. Honda has taken a name that once represented a fun, compact, hybrid, and completely reimagined it for a new generation, blending sporty design, modern technology, and real driving excitement into a single package. From the very first glance, it's clear this isn't a typical eco-focused hybrid. The front end is bold and aggressive, with sharp LED headlights, a wide grille, and sculpted air intakes that give the car a confident, athletic look. The sleek roofline flows smoothly into the rear hatch, while the muscular side panels and aerodynamic detailing help improve stability and efficiency at higher speeds. Sitting on large, sporty alloy wheels, the CR-Z looks planted and ready to move. Even when standing still, step inside, and the interior feels driver-focused and modern. Honda uses quality materials throughout the cabin, combining soft-touch surfaces with sporty accents that make the cockpit feel purposeful. The digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information, while the infotainment system supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice controls. The front seats are comfortable and supportive, perfect for both daily commutes and longer drives, while the rear seats are compact. They add a level of practicality that makes the CR-Z more usable than a traditional two-seat sports coupe. Under the hood is where the 2026 CR-Z truly shines. It features a turbocharged 1.5-liter gasoline engine paired with an advanced electric motor, producing around 200 horsepower in standard form. Power delivery feels smooth and responsive, giving the car strong acceleration without sacrificing efficiency. For drivers who want more excitement, a higher performance version pushes output closer to 250 horsepower, making the CR-Z genuinely quick for its size. Acceleration feels lively, with the car reaching highway speeds in just over 6 seconds, while the hybrid system works quietly in the background to improve fuel economy. Regenerative braking captures energy during deceleration and feeds it back into the battery, helping maximize efficiency without affecting driving enjoyment. This balance between performance and economy is one of the CR-Z's biggest strengths. On the road, the car feels light, agile, and confident. The steering is precise and responsive, making corners enjoyable without feeling overly stiff or uncomfortable. The suspension is tuned to strike a balance between sporty handling and daily comfort, so rough roads don't become tiring. Buyers can choose between a traditional 6-speed manual transmission for a more engaging driving experience or a smooth CVT for relaxed city driving. Fuel efficiency remains impressive, especially for a sporty coupe. The hybrid system intelligently switches between electric and gasoline power depending on driving conditions, helping reduce fuel consumption during traffic and steady cruising. This makes the CR-Z ideal for drivers who want fun without constant trips to the fuel station. Safety is also a major focus. The 2026 Honda CR-Z comes equipped with modern driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to enhance confidence and reduce fatigue during longer drives done at its core. The 2026 Honda CR-Z is about balance. It's a car that proves hybrids don't have to be boring and sporty cars don't have to be inefficient. With its bold design, engaging performance, advanced technology, and everyday usability, the CR-Z offers something unique in today's automotive landscape. If you're looking for a car that's fun to drive, easy to live with, and forward-thinking without losing personality, the 2026 Honda CR-Z makes a strong case. It's not just a comeback, it's a statement.